Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. We're not in downtown Paphos, we're a little bit further up the beach, shall we say, and we're in downtown St George, which is almost Clorica, on the way towards Coral Bay. And we're going to make a very, very special video for some very, very special people, obviously. And I'd like to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, who's going to do a bit of monkeying around in this hotel, that's for sure. Ochin, Gracivia, Lebouf.
Hello, everybody! How nice to see you again and again. Today is a most specialist, especially for you video. Miss Deborah, Mr. Anthony, this video is especially for you. Just smile.
Right, Miss Deborah, Mr. Anthony, stick with us. We are going to storm the main reception area of the St George Hotel in downtown Clorica. It's got a view to die for out of its back door, that's for sure. So stick with us as we storm the main reception area. And as tradition goes, we're going to follow the rear end of Miss Ochin Gracivia Lebouf. Take it away, Lebouf. Let's get into that hotel. It's pretty hot outside. We understand inside there it's going to be nice and cool. And we're going to have a wander around, stick our nose in a few little crannies and have a look to see what is going on. So stick with us. That is the front reception of the 5-star luxury St George Hotel. It's even got a rather nice church up there. So if you have one drink too many and you want to repent your sins, that's where you would go. Stick with us. Let's follow the rear end of Gracivia Lebouf into the main reception. Absolutely beautiful. Have a look at that. Wow, it's a spectacular hotel, that is for sure. Have a look at that. Wow, absolutely beautiful. Let's just show you that area there. Got a nice raised bar area. It's fully open, looks down, galleried out to the main windows, out to the blue Mediterranean Sea. Let's follow the rear end of Gracivia Lebouf as she takes us downstairs into a further lounge and seating area. Have a look at that. What have you got to say, Gracivia Lebouf?
The most dangerous part we already passed. The receptionists were looking at us as like we were thieves.
Yes, they had a good look at us, but so far they haven't understood what's going on. We're going to show you the beauty of the entirety of this hotel. It's beautiful. Have a look at that. Right, Gracivia Lebouf, let's get your rear end out there and have a look at what's going on. So this is a further raised terraced area. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. You've got private suites over there with their own private little swimming pools. You've got another luxury complex of villas to that side and a further luxury bunch of villas to that side. It's a true resort and spa, that is for sure. And you've even got a museum. You've got the Agios Georgios Museum right in front of us. We've got beautiful tended gardens, and of course we've got a beautiful, beautiful swimming pool. And on top of all of that, we've got the blue Mediterranean Sea, and that's where we're going. Gracivia?
Can you see this? All the rooms, most of them overlooking the pool area.
The pool area and the sea. Have a look at that. This is the rear of the hotel. And as Gracivia is telling you, the majority of the rooms are positioned so that they get to look out over the blue Mediterranean Sea.
And then I
right,
totally
stick with us.
Earlier.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Because I spotted someone in a blue shirt, and he's coming out that mirrored door over there. So let's get out of his sight and let's get down into the lower depths of this hotel and see what is going on. Let's follow Gracivia Lebouf. What have you found, Gracivia? Ooh, what have we got over here? Oh, let's be a bit cheeky, Gracivia. Come on, let's get in. Let's go and have a look. This is the entrance to the main restaurant area. You've got washing facilities and you've got a gymnasium. Come and have a look at this. Wow, Gracivia, have a look at that. So they've got a gymnasium in here, they've got a spa in here. There's all sorts going on. In fact, they've even got lifts. Hold on a minute. Let's have a sit down, Gracivia, because it's quite cool and tranquil in here. So, Gracivia, what is your opinion of the hotel?
How nice, you can't even imagine. I totally enjoyed that view from the terrace overlooking the pool area, overlooking the blue Mediterranean Sea. And then I like a few levels of the gardening and bar sitting area. Well, it's luxury. If It's really, really nice.
Stick with us, Debs. Anthony, we're going to go and have a quick look in the restaurant area. There is a manager at the reception, but you never know, he might think we're tourists. In fact, we're going to tell them that we are you. And we're going to wander in. There's the spa area. Wonderful, wonderful place. And of course, that's the gymnasium area, frequented by some big muscly men, so we're going to leave them at it. This is the restaurant area. Very, very nice place indeed. Have a quick look, and then we're going to bugger off. Have a look at that. Looks like some very nice food indeed. That looks tasty. I'm coming back in 5 minutes because it's lunchtime. Receive your lovey. Let's follow your rear end. Off you go. As you can see, the staff are very, very friendly, and luckily for us, they don't know who the hell we are. If they did, well, I'm pretty sure they'd chuck us out. Anyway, stick with us. This is the outside terrace area to the restaurant. Over there, you've got an entertainments area. Perhaps Grasivi Booth may want to do a little bit of the old cha-chuchka dancing. Let's have a look. There she goes. Huh! Stick with us.
Unfortunately, not cha-chuchka.
Stick with us as we storm the pool area of this great, great home. That's a great smile. Absolute stars. She wants to get involved in the fun. She was giving us a thumbs up and a great, great smile, that's for sure. Stick with us, because this now is almost the cream de la creme. There it is. Look at that. What a great, great swimming pool. Works of art, a sunken bar, so you can swim up to the bar, all to the pina colada, and swim off and drink it in this beautiful, beautiful pool area. Stick with us as we wiggle our way around, because it's pretty busy in here today. Have a look at that. What a great, great pool area, Christina.
Wow, it's not only the great pool area. I like that it's, you know, when you're drinking the cocktails and sitting in the water of the pool. It's amazing. It's lovely.
It is a great, great feeling to be able to go up to that bar, order a cocktail, and then sit at the bar or wander around the pool. Have a look at that. That's something very, very special indeed. And that's how you know that you are in a very, very luxurious house. And this is the open air part of this very same bar. So you can come out here, have a drink. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the dry part. You've got a kids club over there. You've got the Sunset restaurant over there. Have a quick look at that, because it does look rather nice under the vines. I could quite happily have a breakfast or a lunch over there. That's for sure. Absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, there's plenty of people sitting there waiting to have their lunch, because guess what? It's lunchtime. Receive that?
Under the tree shade. It's amazing. Not too many people can have such an opportunity like Miss Deborah and Mr. Anthony. They will have it very soon.
Right, stick with us. It's Deborah, Mr. Anthony. We're going to take you up to one of my favourite little things I like to do in the summer, and that is the ice cream parlour. Have a look at that. Now you understand that you are in a true luxury hotel, because that's where you can go and get yourself a nice iced latte, a nice smoothie, or something very, very special. A mixed ice cream. Best ice cream in Paphos.
It's the best in Cyprus.
Yes.
Paphos, very well known.
Very, very good. Not the cheapest ice cream in the world, but it is very, very good ice cream. Hold on, Christivia's monking and monking and monking and monking around. Wonderful. Plenty of things to do. And there you go. That's where you come for your ice cream. It's a great, great place to chill. That's for sure. Now, as I was telling you, you've actually got a museum. And there we go. That's the Algius Georgius Museum. And that's a statue of one of their heroes from the olden times. And there's a further statue. Have a look at that. You've got works of art on your doorstep. So there he is, standing in all his glory, and he is welcoming you. And yet again, there is further art just over here. Come and have a look at this, because this is something very, very special. And then, of course, that's going to take us out to the blue, blue Mediterranean Sea, where we're going to show you a view that is quite simply to die for. Have a look at that. So that's a further work of art. Hopefully there's a plaque at the end that's going to tell us what it actually is or what it commemorates, and then we're going to show you the greatest view from the rear of a hotel, certainly this side of downtown Paphos, that is for sure. Now, Receive LaBouffe, what does it say? Because it's in Greek.
They just decided to put a few sticks on the top of the tower. Just a minute, let me read.
So it's to do with the ochre struggle against the British, and it obviously was resurrected in the 16th of November 2000.
Yeah, it's on the name of children and the politics, you know, to remember that
the struggle against
the struggle.
Yeah. It's to commemorate the struggle of the ochre during its independence from the British Empire, and that's when Cyprus was given its independence. The view from up here, truly spectacular. Have a look at that. And out over there you've got a further beach bar. Look at that, which actually transcends into the blue Mediterranean Sea. You've got a sunbathing area, a raised sunbathing area. You've got a further raised area and the pool, and there is the hotel in all of its spectacality. A truly great place to come and have a holiday. Miss Deborah, Mr. Anthony, you're going to have a great time, that is for sure. Silvia?
It's a little bit stormy today, but have you seen that, how you call it?
I think it's called the banana boat bobbling around over there, because you've got a water sports division out here, and if you want to go paragliding, parasailing, jet boating, jet skiing, or whatever it might be, this is the place to go.
I want you to show a little bit, a couple of minutes, this storm. It's beautiful, it's amazing. I would like to tell you, Miss Deborah and Mr. Anton, that we totally enjoyed our walk around the hotel that you're gonna stay. And I wish and I hope that you will enjoy it too. We are thanking you again and again, all of you, for watching, for supporting, for your time and love. And we are loving you also to this. Don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses, and many kisses.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, please come back for a little bit more of our madness. As Receive LaBouffe wants, I'm going to show you, or try to show you, the spectacality of this area. It truly is beautiful, and it's going to take your breath away. Thanks for watching.